Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song I Cross My Heart by George Strait. And I do want to point out that I did make a couple of small tweaks to some of the original chords used in some parts of the song, just to make it a little easier for you to play so that we don't have to play any bar chords throughout the entire song. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
Love is unconditional. We knew it from the start. I see it in your eyes. You can feel it from my heart. From here on after, let's stay the way we are right now, and share all the love and laughter that a lifetime will allow. I cross my heart and promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine. You will always be the miracle that makes my life complete. And as long as there's a breath in me, I'll make yours just as sweet. As we look into the future, it's as far as we can see. So let's make each tomorrow be the best that it can be. I cross my heart and promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine. And if along the way we find a day it starts to storm, you've got the promise of my love to keep you warm. I cross my heart and promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be using all 6 chords from the C chord family. So we have the C chord, we have an F over C chord, which is a great F alternative in the C chord family. We have the A minor 7 chord, G chord, D minor, and E minor. Now when we're playing the G chord or the E minor chord, for those 2 chords we're going to strum all 6 strings when we play. But when we're playing the C or the F over C or the A minor chord, we need to not play that low E string, okay? So we can just let our thumb come across the top and mute it so it doesn't resonate while we're strumming, or we can just avoid it while we're strumming with our strumming hand. And then for that D minor chord, we need to start our strumming on the D string and avoid the E and the A string for that chord. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice, easy 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. We want to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3, so that's every other beat we want to strum harder. So I'm just going to hold that C chord, and I'm going to play through that strum pattern so you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.